Hi everyone. Road construction machinery is a tool used for the construction, maintenance, and repair of roads and other road infrastructure. These road construction machines work together to create a strong, smooth, and safe road infrastructure for road users. The road construction process requires careful planning and the use of appropriate machinery so that the road can stay in good condition for a long time. And here are the 5 most advanced road construction machines according to Natra News. Number 5. Trimble Earthworks Grade Control System. It's a grade control system that uses GPS and laser technology to guide road construction machines. It helps to ensure that the road surface is built to correct grade and alignment. The system consists of a number of components, including a GPS receiver, a laser scanner, a display, and a control system. The GPS receiver determines the machine's position, while the laser scanner creates a 3D model of the road surface. The display shows the operator the machine's position and the desired grade, and the control system automatically adjusts the machine's movements to keep it on grade. Number 4. Bomag BW213D is a single-drum vibratory roller that is designed for medium to heavy soil compaction work. It is powered by a Deutz D1166L04 engine that produces 147.5 horsepower or equivalent to 110 kilowatts. The drum is 2,134 millimeters wide and has an amplitude of 1.92 to 3.84 millimeters. The frequency is 20 to 36 Hz. The machine has a weight of 12.3 tons or 13.5 short tons. It is equipped with a hydrostatic transmission that provides smooth and precise control. The cab is ROPS/FOPS certified and provides excellent all-around visibility. The operator's seat is adjustable and the controls are ergonomically designed. Bomag BW213D is a popular choice for road construction contractors and other businesses that need to compact soil. It is a reliable and efficient machine that is easy to operate. Number 3. Caterpillar 330 is a medium-sized excavator that is used for a variety of construction and mining applications. It has an operating weight of 68,125 pounds and is powered by a Cat C7.1 engine that produces 275 horsepower. Caterpillar 330 has a maximum digging depth of 23.9 feet and a maximum reach of 61.5 feet. Caterpillar 330 is equipped with a number of features that improve its fuel efficiency and productivity, including a new electro-hydraulic system, larger hydraulic pumps, and increased bucket capacity. Caterpillar 330 also comes standard with a number of advanced technologies, such as Cat Grade with 2D, Grade with Assist, and Payload. Caterpillar 330 hydraulic system is electro-hydraulic, which means that the hydraulic pumps are controlled electronically. This allows for more precise control of the machine's movements, which can improve productivity. Number 2. Workin WR250 Cold Recycler is a versatile machine that can be used for a variety of applications, including road rehabilitation, asphalt recycling, and soil stabilization. It is powered by a 250 kilowatts, 340 horsepower engine and has a working width of 2.4 meters. The WR250 can mill and granulate existing asphalt pavement, inject binders and water in precisely metered quantities, and mix all 3 in a single operation. The new base layers produced in this in-situ process are distinctive for their exceptionally high bearing capacity. The WR250 is a reliable and efficient machine that can help you to get the job done quickly and efficiently. It is a popular choice for contractors in municipalities who need to rehabilitate roads or recycle asphalt. Some of the key features of the WR250 are its powerful milling and mixing rotor, state-of-the-art injection systems, high performance levels in mixing and milling, and also has ideal soil-demanding operation in soil stabilizing and cold recycling. Number 1. The Vogel Super 3002 Paver is a large asphalt paving machine that was developed by Vogel AG in 2012. It is one of the most powerful and best-selling pavers in the world. This paver is equipped with a powerful engine and a large fuel tank, which allows it to work for long hours without interruption. It also has a number of features that help to improve the accuracy and quality of the asphalt layer, including electronic control, a width controller, and a laser level. Super 3002 can be used to lay different types of asphalt, including conventional asphalt, hot mix asphalt, and bitumen. It can also be used to lay different thicknesses of asphalt, from 25 mm to 100 mm. Super 3002 is a powerful and versatile paver that can be used to lay asphalt on different types of surfaces, including roads, parking lots, and airports. It is a reliable and maintainable machine that can help to improve the accuracy and quality of the asphalt layer. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the most advanced road construction machinery. These cutting-edge technologies have not only expedited the construction process but have also contributed to safer and more durable roadways, benefiting all road users. We hope you enjoyed this showcase of innovation in the construction industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.